Welcome to FNB. Let's get your mobile banking app up and running in just a few easy steps. First, download the FNB app from your App Store. If you're using an Android phone, head to the Google Play Store. For iPhones, use the Apple App Store. Once downloaded, open the app to get started. At the right corner, click on the flag icon. Select Zambia as your region. Now, click on Login. You see three options. Select I have login details to proceed. Next, enter your username. If entered correctly, your name and linked entity will appear. Make any edits if needed, then tap Continue. To finish the setup, log into your computer. Enter your username and password and click Login. A linking request has been sent from the app. Tick the box and accept the request. You receive passcodes via your registered email and phone number. Enter these codes and click Continue. Now, create a 4-digit PIN. This will be your key to authorizing all future transactions. And that's it! Your FNB mobile app is ready to use. FNB, how can we help you?